G'day guys, Andrew from On Track. Well, exciting times ahead and we can't wait to get into this place. This is the new home of On Track 4x4. Yes, we are going bigger. We're transitioning both shops that we have in Malcolm Court into one, and everything is at number 10 Malcolm Court, Kealba. So you can't miss us, and stay tuned and watch the transition.